Really? I was in a bar with Gary and a couple of other people, I think. Oh shit, I forgot his voice was Joe. Huh? You think? Whoa, hang on. Do you even remember my name? Aw, shit. We're caught in the fucking trap of the land. Oh my god. This is humiliating. Well, what do you... I was fucking drunk and I'm having a hangover. How do you think I'm gonna remember your name? So, you don't remember anything? What should I say? What should I say? I remember parts. Clearly. Well, I guess I'd be hazy too if I'd be drinking as much as you. See? You understand. You look like a Claire. That's what you look like. That's funny though. Huh? I'd be pretty freaked out if I couldn't remember anything after a night out. Yeah. You have no idea. Listen, about last night. Yeah. Going out, meeting a total stranger, and bringing them here, home. This isn't something I normally do. In fact, I've never done this before. Never had one night stand before. Have you ever done anything like this before? I don't fucking know. I mean, personally, no. Let's say no. No, I've not. I've not. That's reassuring. It makes me feel a bit less uncomfortable about the whole thing. See? It's good. I'm liking the artwork, though. I guess what I'm trying to say is I don't want to see this. I don't want this to be typical. I mean, you're still here. You didn't sneak out before I woke up or whilst I was out of the room. Because people that do that are fucking assholes. I don't know. Clearly you were nice to me last night. Whoa, okay. But part of me thought you'd want to leave as soon as you woke up. Sorry, tongue-tied. It's early. That's fucking early for me. But you're still here. I mean, that in a good way, of course. Just happy that I'm still here. Must have managed. Oh, I guess I've managed to make a good impression, all things considered. Peter. Listen, we didn't really get to know each other that well last night. I ranted about my date and life troubles. Oh, God. I've talked enough about me. Tell me about you. Let's go out and talk about this. Well, I'm still in bed like fucking, oh, good. Like, let me wake up. Tell me something about you. I know this might sound strange. Excuse me, sorry. But if we get to know each other a little bit better, then maybe this could be different. Different. Like, maybe this doesn't have to be as weird as just two strangers hooking up. I don't know. Sure, I guess. Should I tell her about myself? Talk about your personality first. That's what you talk about first. I don't know if the first video, I was saying that I just woke up, so that's why I'm dying over here. I feel like shit. Well, I guess I should start with... She feeling sick? Sorry, wait here. I'll be right back. Yeah, she's probably, throwing up, dude. Oh, that's the music. I thought something was going off. These are all her clothes. Even if I wanted to wear them, I doubt they'd fit. Ah, there are my jeans. There's a few old stains in there. Oh my God. Oh shit, well let's find your fucking boxers, dude. Those are panties, obviously. Is that them? Oh, that's her shirt. How'd my shirt end up here, all the way up here? It stinks of sweat, smoke, and you know what? I'd rather not find out. Anyway, it's all I've got, so I've no choice. Put it on. Oh, she came back. Okay. Oh, fuck. There, you okay? Not really. Sorry, I just felt really sick all of a sudden. Maybe it was something I ate last night, or too much to drink. Most likely too much to drink. What should I do? Can I get you anything? Thanks, but I think I just need to get some rest. Damn it, I should have offered to leave. I hate to be rude, but I'd like to be alone now. Are you sure? Yeah, please don't take it the wrong way. I've been told that exact same sentence or statement so many times. Don't take it the wrong way. You've been a real gent. I was about to give her the Joe voice. Even this morning, when you could have easily just left. Sorry to cut this short. I just need to get some rest. Okay. Quickly gather up the remainder of my belongings. Still couldn't find my underwear, though. What the hell? Okay, I've got all my stuff. Cool. There's a bus station just down the road from here, so you should be able to get home from there. Thanks. Listen, don't take this the wrong way. You've been really nice this whole time. I'm grateful for that. How should I respond? Okay. I would say no problem, but I do want to see her again. Like, wouldn't that be weird, though? Just be like, don't take this the wrong way, but, you know, you've been kind to me all this time. I want to see you again. Like, it'd be weird. Oh, whatever. I really like you. And I'd hate for us to end things like this. Can I see you again? Listen. You seem like a nice guy. And I really appreciate that you didn't run out of here as soon as you got up. But will you marry me? No. I'm sure some people find something deep. Oh, I'm sure some people find something deep in a one-night stand. But I'm sorry. I just don't think there's anything good for us here. What? What? I mean, we're just meant to go our separate ways, right? No! You get up and leave the room. That's the end of the game, isn't it? The girl sees you to the front door. Holy shit, this is loud. The girl sees you to the front door and waves you goodbye. She really seemed like a nice girl. You walk out into the street and try to find a way home. Wonder how else that could have played out. That's the point in the game, isn't it? It's like Emily is away. Yep, okay. Well, for any of you watching, if you would like to see, you know, different choices, then make sure to comment below, because without a comment or a like, I won't know. So just do either one of those things, and if I see that, you know, people are liking it or people commenting like, hey, I want to see what happens if you choose different choices, then just let me know, because, I mean, I'd be interested. As always, stay safe, other guys, and I'll see you later.